Do you know what this is?
Yes, I know.
What is this?
Earth and fill some ocean inside.
Yes, there are oceans. And do you know, oceans are 70.9%, almost 71% of the water.
Yes, I know.
And in that water, 97% is salty water. Only 1% is fresh water that we drink. And 2% are like glaciers and something like that.
Yeah.
So first thing first, we should save water, and secondly, we are going to make a water purifier so that everyone else can have pure and fresh water for themselves. We're gonna need plastic bottles. So cut the bottle like this. This is how it's gonna look like. Things we need is charcoal, sand, and pebbles, mix, and bottles, and cotton. We are going to put cotton inside the bottle like this, and we are going to push the cotton right like this. Yeah, and put some more, please. Thank you. Yeah, good. This is going to be, and then we're gonna put sand inside. Up. Good. This is done, and then goes charcoal. All the way in. Good. This is good. This looks very good. And then the pebbles. Good. Show me. And then we're gonna put some dirty water. So that's how the water purifier works. It's really easy. Everyone can make it. Easy and affordable for everyone. This is gonna take time, but it's fresh water. It's good for health. So the difference is clear. As you can see, now you can enjoy fresh water anytime, anywhere. Put some ice in it and enjoy the fresh and delicious water. Please do try it and tell us about it. Thank you so much.